The story of the Prophet Muhammad is honesty and trustworthiness. Introduction. Opening scene. Scene: a serene view of a small town where people live peacefully. Voiceover. Once upon a time, in the sacred city of Makkah, there was a young man named Muhammad. From an early age, he was known for his honesty and trustworthiness. People loved and respected him so much that they affectionately called him as Siddiq, the truthful, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy. Scene 1. The trustworthiness of the Prophet Muhammad. Middle scene. Scene: show the Prophet caring for people's belongings and valuables. Voiceover. People trusted Prophet Muhammad so deeply that they would leave their precious belongings with him for safekeeping. His level of trustworthiness was so high that no one ever doubted him. In time, people began to see that this young man, Muhammad, always kept his promises and fulfilled his word. Scene 2. An incident of truthfulness. Near ending scene. Scene: scenario where the Prophet returns someone's entrusted items or mediates honestly between people. Voiceover. One day, a man left a valuable item with the Prophet. When he returned to retrieve it some days later, the Prophet immediately returned it without needing to be reminded. The man marveled, thinking that no one as honest and trustworthy as Muhammad could be found. It was this honesty that drew people to him and led many to accept the message of Islam. Closing scene: a message of morality. Scene: a joyful setting where people remember the Prophet's example and treat each other with honesty and integrity. Voiceover. This story teaches us that truthfulness and trustworthiness elevate a person's character and reputation. Even in today's world, we can practice these qualities to build a better and more peaceful society for all. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on Quranic Wisdom. For more stories like this, subscribe to our channel and continue learning valuable life lessons rooted in the teachings of the Quran. JazakAllah Khair.